could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run all of the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the road, inside of the same old, caught in the circles, round they go. It's hard when you keep close, rewind with my eyes closed, might need a breather, get lost in the B-roll, let all the window to learn how the world goes. We didn't know when to.
Get some Jollies by Julie.
Walking through Yerevan at night is an experience that blends the city's historical charm with the modern vibrancy that's uniquely Armenian. Hi Jollies! Thank you for clicking this video. For today's vlog, I will be sharing the beauty of Yerevan. I hope you will join me in our walking tour and let's all discover the capital city and the largest city of Armenia.
Shall I compare to a summer day? She's the sun, she fill out the gray. Quench my thirst, she's my lemonade. The yellow that I couldn't paint. Shall I compare to a summer day? Just like the sun, it will never fade. The cool breeze in the shade, my four leaves to the blade, right to my mistakes. I just know she'll be my downfall. When the rain it pours, my heart will forever take a toll. 'Cause she's all I know, she's all I know, she's all I know. Shall I compare to a winter solstice? Watch is closing off, I'm dozing like a ghost, thinking that maybe I wouldn't notice. But it's colder, it's colder, it's colder around when you're not here.
The scenery of Yerevan at night is captivating. The city comes alive with a vibrant energy, with its streets illuminated by the warm glow of streetlights and the colorful lights of buildings and monuments. The iconic landmarks such as the Republic Square, with its grand fountain and beautiful architecture, are particularly enchanting under the night sky.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me what
Northern Avenue is main shopping and leisure street of Yerevan. I believe that the real allure of North Avenue during the evening is found in its street performers who transform the mundane into the extraordinary with their talent and passion. Musicians serenade passers-by with melodies that stir the soul, their notes floating in the evening breeze like whispers of inspiration. Thus, go no farther than North Avenue in Yerevan if you are looking for a once-in-a-lifetime experience that honors the beauty of art and the enchantment of the night.
Dito.
One of the most magical experiences in Yerevan at night is visiting the Cascade Complex, a massive stairway adorned with contemporary art installations and offering stunning views of the city below. Lit up against the darkness, it becomes a beacon of beauty and creativity. From my point of view, overall, Yerevan at night is a blend of history, culture, and modernity, creating an unforgettable experience for anyone fortunate enough to explore its streets after dark.
Share. Story.